Hello and welcome back to Tech everybody. So, if you haven't subscribed, do it now and hit that like button on this video so you can support me and you get latest tech updates and content from Tech as soon as possible. So, let's get started with today's video. Today's video is about more keyboard shortcuts you might not know, and this is a part 2, and if you haven't watched part 1, I'll leave a link in the description so that you can go watch part 1 and use this as a continuation. So, in today's video we're going to be mainly focusing on keyboard shortcuts with the Windows key. Now, this key is not just used to open and close the start menu. When combined with the right keys, it can do lots of other things, like open the search bar, or lock your device, connect to wireless devices, or open OneNote. So we'll be learning all these shortcuts in today's video. Let's get started. The first shortcut is Windows plus Q. Now this opens up the search bar for you, and you can type in whatever you want and search. So that's the first shortcut. The second shortcut is Windows plus T. This is to switch between apps in the taskbar. Now, as you can see in the taskbar, I'm able to switch between apps, and now if I come over to one app here and press enter, I can launch that app without using my mouse. Now, this is particularly useful when you have lots of apps in your taskbar and you need to switch between them and easily be able to launch them without using your mouse. Let's just close this, and the next setting is Windows plus U. The Windows plus U shortcut opens up the display settings for you, where you can change your text size and change everything about your display. And now for the next shortcut, Windows plus P. This takes you into the project mode where you can switch between displays. Now if you have your PC screen only, you can use only your PC screen. Now if you've connected to a projector, you can duplicate the screen. And if you connected to another monitor, you can click extend and it'll extend the display to fit into both the monitors. And if you click second screen only, your laptop screen is going to become black and it's going to project only to the second screen. So these are the 4 options you can use in the project mode. Now the next shortcut, Windows plus S. Now this again opens the search bar where you can search whatever you like. You can get easy access to the COVID-19 map, or you can search for the weather, the top news, or today in history, or you can just use the lens to visual search something, or you can go ahead and view your top apps and you can launch them. Then comes the next shortcut, Windows plus D. Now to demonstrate this, let me open a few applications. Now pressing Windows D will switch to your desktop. Now this is similar to the action done by this button at the bottom right here, the show desktop button. Now if we go ahead and head to this, and I have multiple windows like this and I want to access the desktop without touching my mouse, I can just click Windows plus D. Now this will switch to my desktop and I can continue working on my desktop. The next shortcut, this one's pretty useful. For this, I'm gonna show this in the browser. Now, I want to search something, but I don't want to use my keyboard, I want to use my voice. So first, I'm gonna just click Windows plus H. Now, this initializes the dictation, and as you can see here, this is typing whatever I say right here. It's not that sensitive in detecting your voice, but it works out well anyway. So Now let's head to the next shortcut. Now, this might be particularly useful if you don't want to launch your settings to connect to a wireless device. Just press Windows plus K and it should launch the connect box or connect section or whatever it's called, and it'll search for Bluetooth devices. Now if I turn on Bluetooth and nearby sharing and press Windows K, I'm gonna get easy access to my Bluetooth devices, and it's gonna search for wireless display and audio devices while the Bluetooth is on, and it also allows you to find other types of devices and project to this PC. Now, the next shortcut. Let's just turn off Bluetooth and nearby sharing. The next shortcut is the Cortana shortcut, the Windows plus C. Now, this launches Cortana, or your personal assistant. Now, for this to work, you need to actually have enabled this shortcut in the settings. It's right here. The keyboard shortcut setting, let Cortana listen for my commands when I press the Windows logo key plus C. If the shortcut is on, then the shortcut will work. If it isn't, it won't. See, now I'm pressing Windows plus C, nothing is happening. But now, if I press Windows plus C, it's able to launch the Cortana. The next shortcut is Windows plus L. Now, this is going to lock your device. For easy locking your device, this shortcut can be really helpful if you don't want to use your mouse to lock your device, and sometimes it can be frustrating to find the lock button in the start menu. So the shortcut is Windows plus L, and it's locked my device. Okay, so now let's come to the next shortcut, Windows plus V. Now this opens the clipboard. This might be really useful when you want to paste multiple things or something like that. Now let me show you an example. I just want to copy this, so I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to press Windows V, and there it is in my clipboard. Now if I want, I can copy more things, and it's right there on my clipboard. So let's copy this too. So I have 3 things in my clipboard. Now this, when is it useful, if you ask me? Now if you're having lots of articles or anything or project that you want to copy down, and you can't go switch between windows every time, you can just copy whatever you want and then paste it into your clipboard, and if you click that, it's gonna paste it for you. You can see right here. And the final shortcut here for today's video is Windows plus N. Now this opens OneNote for you to take quick notes with ease. So with these shortcuts, we have reached the end of today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to leave a comment what you want as the next video, and I will do it for you. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you, and this is Tech signing off.